Hey, welcome to my video, 6 natural ways to treat the common cold and flu. Stick around to the end and I'll give you the bad news. But first, the good news. Almost everyone has experienced the symptoms of the common cold. Blocked and stuffy nose, dry and inflamed throat, and fever are just a few cold symptoms. While there is no cure for the common cold, there are many ways it can be managed. Taking cold medicine is not the only way to treat the common cold. There are natural ways to heal from this affliction. Cold and flu are caused, or rather the symptoms are triggered, by viruses. They are immune to most antibiotics, so treating them with medicine is often a waste of time. Not to mention many antibiotics can be costly. Fortunately, there are natural ways and more effective ways to treat colds, including the following 6 practices which have been used for centuries. Number 1. Vitamin D. A common and effective method is to increase the intake of vitamin D. That particular vitamin is an antimicrobial and produces about 200 to 300 different peptides in the body which kill bacteria, viruses, and fungi. The best way to increase your vitamin D levels is to expose your skin directly to sunlight for anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes per day. When the sun's rays hit your exposed skin, this triggers a process by which vitamin D is produced in your body. If this is not possible or practical, vitamin D oil capsules are readily available and reasonably priced. A team of researchers from Children's Hospital of Boston conducted a study in 2009. They took blood samples from over 5,000 children under the age of 12. They found that 1 out of 5 children in the United States had vitamin D levels that were roughly 12% to 15%, the level for children recommended by the American Academy of Pediatrics. They also found that 2 out of 3 children had lower than recommended levels of vitamin D in their bodies. Number 2. Oregano oil. The use of oregano oil has been proven to be effective when treating colds and flu, as well as other respiratory problems. Healers have been using this product for centuries to treat respiratory afflictions such as coughs, colds, the flu, sore throats, and even bronchitis. Oregano oil has antiviral, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties, all of which can help clear up cold symptoms. Oregano oil helps with stomach problems and digestion, treating symptoms of nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea, and can also reduce fevers by triggering the production of sweat. All of these symptoms can be experienced during a bout of severe cold or flu. Number 3. Ginger. Try this healing herb. Ginger is a versatile herb that has been proven effective in the fight against the flu virus. Like oregano oil, it helps combat symptoms of nausea and vomiting, and it's so effective in doing so that ginger is also used to treat the side effects of chemotherapy. Ginger is available in capsule, powder form, and extract form, and can be used in ales and teas, as well as other homemade recipes. Number 4. Turn up the heat. When you get a cold, chicken soup and hot tea can ease your cold and flu symptoms. The reason is the heat. As the warmth moves down your throat to your stomach, it loosens the mucus, making it easier to cough out. Steam works the same way. Sitting in the bathroom with a hot shower running can relieve your stuffy nose and head. Number 5. Consider supplements. A few supplements have been found to reduce a cold's duration. Ask your doctor about zinc, vitamin C, and echinacea. Vitamin C is awesome, and I find I rarely even get a cold when I take it every day. I had a doctor prescribe it to me once, and I've never looked back. Tell your doctor before starting any new supplement or medication. Your doctor will make sure it doesn't interact with any other medicine you're taking. Number 6. Hydrate. Finally, it's important to stay hydrated. This is a basic natural healing tip and often overlooked. Dehydration can lead to dry skin and mouth, thirst, a decrease in urination or dark-colored urine, and headaches. Drink as much water as needed to prevent these conditions and to help you speed up your return to health from the flu and the common cold. Don't wait until you're thirsty. And now the bad news. Soft drinks, coffee, and beer don't count as water. Caffeine and alcohol make you urinate and remove water from your system. Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. If you'd like my free report, Alternative Medicines and Therapies, click the link in the description below. See you next time.